In this video, I will show you how to skip songs with your AirPods Pro. So let's jump straight into it. So to actually go ahead and skip songs with your AirPods Pro, it's quite easy to do. Now to do this, you want to make sure that you've got your AirPods in your ear, as there's a little sensor on the AirPods Pro which basically detects whether it's in your ear or not. So it's not going to work if they're out of your ear. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and put this one into my ear, and I'm going to use this one here to show you what to do. Now, if you look on the actual stem of the AirPods Pro, you're going to see like a little curved section down here. So this is actually the touch sensor, and this is what you can use to go ahead and skip songs. So this little curved section here on the stem. So what I'm going to do is put this one in my ear. As I say, it's this curved section here you need to double press onto. And of course I need to make sure that they're both in my ear, otherwise it's not going to see it because the ear sensor won't be covered. So if I now go ahead and double tap onto that button, you'll see what's going to happen is we're going to be able to go ahead and skip through the songs. And to skip back to a previous song, what you need to do is basically tap 3 times. So it's twice to go forward, and then you tap 3 times to go backwards. Now this isn't going to work, as you can see, as the AirPods are not in my ear. So that is how to go ahead and skip songs with your AirPods Pro. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.